Hello friends, Christmas will be incomplete without baking a cake. So in today's video, I'm going to bake a super moist, delicious blueberry orange bundt cake. Do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like the recipe. Do share with your family and friends and press the notification bell icon for further video updates. If you haven't watched my Christmas cookie box video, do watch it. I will leave the link in the description box. Let's get started now. So this is a bundt pan and I am going to start by greasing it with some oil and then dusting it with flour. Remove all the excess flour. If you do not have a bundt pan, take any 6 or 7 inch round cake pan and then you can just place a glass in the middle. Grease both your pan and the glass with oil and then dust both of them with flour and remove any excess flour. Now you are ready to go. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta and add half a cup of instant oats or rolled oat. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to this and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a good stir and keep the bowl aside. In a separate bowl, take half a cup of refined oil. Add 1/3 cup of honey to it and 1/4 cup of yogurt. Whisk all the ingredients properly. Keep whisking until all the ingredients are incorporated properly. Now add the dry ingredients to this wet mixture slowly in batches. I forgot to add my vanilla essence, so I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence at this stage. I should have added this to the wet ingredients only. Mix properly, then add around 1 cup of milk which is at room temperature. If you think your batter is too dry, you can add some more milk. So this is the right consistency for my batter. Now take one orange and add the zest of the orange to the mixture. To this, add 1 cup of blueberries and again mix properly. Transfer the mixture to your bundt pan. Tap your pan to remove any air bubbles. I'm going to bake this cake in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 25 to 30 minutes. So this is my cake after 25 minutes of baking and I will let it cool to room temperature. So now I'm going to make a glaze to put on my cake. For this I have taken 1 cup of fresh orange juice and I have added around 3 tablespoons of honey to it. Mix it and now I am going to cook it on a low flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes until it reduces and becomes thick. After the juice started boiling, I added a few blueberries to enhance the flavor. So the mixture is thick enough now, and now I'm going to let it cool for some time, but it should be warm when you put it on the cake. So take out the cake from the mold slowly. Now poke some holes all over the cake so that when we pour the glaze, it gets absorbed in the cake properly. Now pour the glaze and spread it evenly all over the cake. Now dust with icing sugar or powdered sugar if you want to. So our delicious, super moist cake filled with blueberries is ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.